Do you believe that love can extend beyond the grave? Well, in today's episode, we will be mixing up an elixir of love, and afterwards, I'll be bringing on a friend to see if she can tell what's in the drink. I'm your host, Bella, and this is Cryptic Cocktails. We're going to start by grabbing our shaker and taking 5 sliced strawberries. We'll pour those in. And then we'll take 1 ounce of simple syrup and add that. We'll muddle that all together. And you're going to want to have a consistency that looks like this. Then we'll take 1/2 ounce of lime juice, followed by 1.5 ounces of vodka, and we'll pour this into the shaker. We'll grab some ice and give that a good shake. Then we'll want to grab our cup and grab an ice cube to put in the cup. We have a rose. We'll get our strainer, strain the drink, top that off with some ginger beer. And then we're going to grab some grenadine, and we're going to put just a little bit of that. And we will complete our drink by garnishing with a strawberry on the rim. And there you have it, the Elixir of Love. And now I would like to introduce you to my friend Ash as she comes up to try the drink and give us her thoughts.
Hey Bella.
Hey Ash.
It's so good to see you.
It's good to see you
Thank you so much
too.
for having me on. What
Of
do we
course.
have? This looks so good.
Okay, so I'm going to give you this drink.
Okay.
It's called the Lover's Elixir.
Ooh, that sounds amazing.
I want you to try it and
Okay.
tell me what you think might be in it,
Okay.
and then just your overall opinion of the drink.
Overall opinion.
Yes.
Okay. Let me see. So, first things first, I love the color. It looks so pretty. Named very well.
Thank you so much.
Definitely strawberry.
Mm-hmm.
Tastes a little bit of lime.
Yes.
And what's the spicy?
The spicy is actually ginger.
Ginger?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, that's so good. And there's there alcohol in here?
There is.
There is. I don't taste it at all. That is so good.
Thank you so much.
That's really good. And I don't drink a whole lot either.
Mhm.
So like this would be the perfect thing for me to have.
So this drink is actually based off one of our Louisville tours
Oh.
of Melancholy and Mourning.
Yeah?
And that tour covers a lot about love, both before and after life.
Oh wow.
So it's only fitting that this romantic strawberry drink
yes.
would go perfectly with this tour.
It would. This is really good. I can only imagine sipping this, walking along that tour and being able to reimagine and relive all of those stories.
Yes. Well, thank you so much for
Thank
coming.
you for having me. I appreciate it.
Of
I hope to be
course.
back again soon.
Yes.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful evening.
You too.
Thank you all for watching this week's episode of Cryptic Cocktails. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.